Amazon FBA versus FBM. Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, and FBM, fulfilled by merchant, are two distinct methods sellers use to deliver products to customers on Amazon. With FBA, Amazon handles the entire fulfillment process, storing inventory, packing orders, shipping products, and even managing customer service and returns. This system allows sellers to focus on marketing and product sourcing, while benefiting from Prime eligibility and faster delivery, which often leads to higher sales and stronger customer trust. In contrast, FBM means the seller is responsible for every part of the fulfillment process. You store products, pack them, and ship them directly to customers. This approach gives sellers more control over inventory and operations while saving money on Amazon's storage and fulfillment fees. However, it requires more time and management effort, especially during high-demand seasons. FBM sellers also don't automatically qualify for Prime, which can limit visibility compared to FBA listings. In real-world use, FBA is preferred by sellers who want scalability, automation, and professional fulfillment without logistical stress. It's ideal for lightweight, high-demand products that sell quickly. FBM, on the other hand, suits sellers with low margin or oversized products that are expensive to store or ship via FBA. Many successful Amazon sellers combine both models, using FBA for fast-moving inventory and FBM for products that require custom handling or have lower turnover. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research products, compare FBA versus FBM performance, and grow your Amazon business at no cost.